It was a couple of days before Snoggletalk, and I was getting excited about the pageant. And then it hit me.
Yes, it works. I'm going to catch a dragon, Dad.
As always.